In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin a post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here at your profile picture to go to your Facebook profile page. Then just scroll down until you find a post you would like to pin, and once you find one, tap at three dots and then tap at pin post. What that will do, that will pin that post at the top of your Facebook timeline. Right here it says pinned post, and the post will stay here until you unpin it. To unpin a post, tap at three dots and then select unpin. That's how you can easily pin and unpin posts on Facebook.